It's one of the easier wood pigeons nests you're going to come across. Head height, a bit below head height, but yeah, 2 fresh eggs in there. Nice little nest, that one, in this hawthorn. There you go, just there. Just in there, predated pheasant's nest. I think there's 2 eggs still intact there, but it's been attacked, as you can see. Plenty of broken eggshells, but looks like 2 intact. Yeah, shame. Yeah, stood there a little while, not much zoom. He's what? 25 foot? 25 foot from us there now. He wants a drink. Oh, my arms are hurting now, actually. Bloody hell, he stood there for a little while. Magic. Knows exactly where I am. But very content to just stand and watch. Zoom that lovely face in there. Yeah, nice one. I'm in the shade, of course. Sitting under a tree, and there he arrives. And my arms are really hurting now. Roe deer bucks. Back there now, it's just in the taller grass, it's just lying down. We're looking out for something. It's a lot further away now. Just pulled up a seat for me for a drink. I spotted it. Anyways, this I'm just watching this wren here feeding chicks. It's in there somewhere, not that far away, but they've been going in and out regularly, feeding them chicks in there. I'm not bothered that I'm here. thought I saw it there in the background. If it makes a move in. Yeah. There it is. It's gone in. Nice one. Back out. Switch the camera back on because that roe deer that was over there is coming back in. Back nice in there. Just watching exactly where I am. Really interested. Hopefully he's going to pop round that corner. Oh no, he's retreated. He's retreating. Go back to position. Would he definitely come to investigate? So this season's chaffinch nest in there, been and gone. Have a look. Oh, not that long ago, I would say. It's like fledged chicks out of there, just in the gorse here. But yeah, not that long gone, that one, I would say. Still pretty decent, that nest. Nice one.